Welcome to your StoneHinge. We'll have you grilling in no time. First off, take your contents out of the package and compare them with the list in your instructions. Make sure you have everything. Make sure to gather your tools as well before you get started. The first step is to remove the griddle hardcover from the griddle top. Second, align the first hinge's slotted holes with the griddle's pre-drilled holes towards the rear. Ensure that the hole at the top of the hinge is pointing to the rear and that the hinge is on the outside of the griddle. Third, insert 2 hinge screws through the outside of the slotted holes, thread nuts partially on, but do not fully tighten them. For this next part, you're going to be repeating steps 2 and 3 for that second hinge on the other side. Fifth, we're going to set the hardcover back on the griddle with the pre-drilled holes of the hardcover in the rear. The hinges should be on the inside of the hardcover, but on the outside of the griddle. Next, position the hardcover, allowing you to insert the hinge shoulder bolt through the outside of the hardcover hole, then through the top hinge hole. Thread the hinge shoulder nut onto the shoulder bolt and tighten. Repeat this last step for the other hinge. Now for your handle. Unthread the nuts on the back of the handle and remove the handle plate, placing the screws and the nuts aside. Next, measure to find the center of the front lip of your hardcover to make sure that the handle is centered. Now you can lift the front of the hardcover and hold the handle in the center. Hold the handle plate so that the hardcover lip is between the handle and the plate. Last, we're going to slide those screws through the front of the handle and through the handle plate, then thread on the handle nuts and tighten them. Because every griddle is just a little different, we made these holes slotted on the hinges to allow you to adjust them specifically for your griddle. Make sure that the handle's plate lip is resting on the front edge of your griddle, not the handle nuts. You can slide your hardcover back and forwards until you've found the correct positioning. Once that's done, make sure to tighten those hinge nuts so this thing ain't going anywhere. And that's all there is to it. You're ready to grill.